Rainy weekends used to mean my kids were just glued to screens for hours, and I felt so guilty about it. We were stuck in this endless cycle of YouTube and video games, and everyone was cranky by Sunday night. Then I discovered Kids Point Tracker and turned every rainy day into an adventure where building blocks earns 20 points and art projects earn 30 and cooking together earns 50 points. Now my kids actually beg to do crafts and play board games because they know they're earning points toward that new toy or special outing they want. Our house is filled with giggles and creativity instead of zombie stares at screens, and honestly, it changed everything for us. Download Kids Point Tracker and turn your next rainy day into the best day ever.